What's up, mi gente? Today we're back in the kitchen and we're back with another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a fryer toaster oven that I bought from Cruxgg. Look at this design. It looks absolutely amazing. I got mine at Target, but you can get yours in plenty of other stores. Here are the creators, Ghetto, Gastro, and now it's time to get this box open. Let's see what's inside. And their welcome message, food for the people. Now let's take this bad boy out. It comes nice and secured. Look at the color on this toaster oven. The buttons are sleek, not too many buttons, no difficulty whatsoever. And it opens up just so smoothly. This is the air frying rack. I'll begin to assemble along with you guys. And it's just a perfect fit. And here goes the ultra lightweight, super sleek pan to pick up all of the juices from all of the delicious meals we're gonna be cooking in there. And then our regular rack. And set, we got all the racks in there. Let's see how it closes. Perfectly. This looks absolutely beautiful. I turned it on for you guys. And it has plenty of settings, from toaster oven to pizza to a timer. And the temperature goes all the way to 450 degrees. What other air fryer oven do you guys have that does that? I have zero. I cannot wait to start using this. I'm gonna go ahead and just give you guys a look from side to side. Y'all need you one of these. And as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.